In this video, we're going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT for keyword research for YouTube. Whether you're a new YouTuber or you've been in the game for a while, one of the best ways to create helpful videos is by doing keyword research so you know exactly what the viewers are searching for. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use ChatGPT to generate keywords relating to your specific niche and how to validate these keywords. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we're going to do is ask ChatGPT to provide a list of short tail keywords which are shorter, more general search terms. I'm simply going to type, I have a YouTube channel in the personal finance niche. Please can you give me 20 short tail keyword ideas for saving money on a low income? As we have asked, it has come back with a list of 20 different keywords relating to our initial keyword. We're now going to pick one of these that we like and ask ChatGPT to expand on this. For example, I'm going to type, expand the keyword budgeting for beginners into 15 long tail keyword variations that have high search intent. It has now come back with 20 long tail keywords which relate to budgeting for beginners. Now if we'd like to validate these keywords, we can use a free tool called VidIQ, which you can sign up for completely free by clicking the first link in the description. I'm simply going to copy this keyword, then paste it into VidIQ's keyword tool. It will then give you the number of searches this keyword gets, and then a number from 1 to 100 of how difficult the keyword would be to rank for. As you can see, the search volume is fairly high, but the competition is also high, which means if we are a beginner, this may not be the best keyword to target. I'm going to go back to the list and find a different keyword and enter that into VidIQ. As you can see, the search volume for this is much higher and the competition is also a lot lower, which makes it an excellent keyword to go after. As you can see, on the right, it gives a few related keywords which we can explore. Then going down, we have some matching keywords. At the bottom are some trending videos relating to the keyword that we entered. An effective way to find video ideas is to look for potential questions viewers are searching for in your specific niche. If I'm in the travel niche, I could ask something like, I have a YouTube channel in the travel niche. I'm looking for keywords that have high search intent. Please can you provide some common questions about budget travel that I can make videos on? ChatGPT has now come up with a variety of different question categories for our topic of budget travel. Within each category are a list of different questions which are potentially being searched up on YouTube. Again, we can take any of these and validate them with the VidIQ keyword tool. If we already have a keyword in mind but want to get additional keywords relating to it, I can enter, please can you provide 20 long tail keywords based on this keyword, best drones for beginners. As expected, we now have a list of 20 different keywords relating to best drones for beginners, such as best drones for beginners with 4K camera, best drones for first time flyers with a return to home feature, and much more. I'm going to use VidIQ again to validate these. That's all we have for this video on using ChatGPT for YouTube keyword research. Click the first link in the description to sign up to VidIQ for completely free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.